Good day, everyone. We are pleased to present Module 1 Corporate Social Responsibility Meanings Development of Practice for the course 370. This report explores how CSR has evolved from its foundational principles and early philanthropic roots to its contemporary forms shaped by social pressure, regulation, and global capitalism. For this part of the report, I will be discussing the foundational meaning of CSR, focusing on how CSR was originally understood and why it became important in business and organizational setting. At the end of this discussion, the audience should be able to define CSR and explain its basic meaning, understand why CSR emerged, particularly in relation to business responsibilities, identify the core principles of CSR, recognize the importance of CSR, and finally, appreciate how the foundational meaning of CSR shapes modern business behavior and decision making. These five objectives shall be met at the end of this discussion. To define CSR, it refers to the idea that organizations have obligations beyond earning profits and obeying the law. According to foundational CSR perspectives discussed by Ramos Mange et al., organizations must consider the social and ethical consequences of their actions because their decisions affect society as a whole. CSR therefore emerged as organizations became more powerful and influential. As companies expanded, their actions began to affect not just markets, but also communities and social systems. Because of this, society started expecting organizations to act responsibly. These are the early foundations of CSR. Business decisions do not affect only profits or operations. Every decision, such as hiring policies, pricing, sourcing, or production, has an impact on people, communities, and the environment. CSR is founded on the recognition that organizations operate within society and not separate from it. For example, a manufacturing company decides to reduce costs by lowering safety standards in its factory. While the company may save money, workers are exposed to higher risk of injury, and this decision affects employee welfare, healthcare systems, and even the families of workers, showing how one business decision creates social consequences. CSR is also based on the idea that organizations have moral duties, not just legal obligations. And CSR is rooted in ethical behavior. It means acting with honesty, fairness, and integrity in all business practices. CSR also emphasizes that doing what is right even when there is no legal requirement or external pressure. Social obligation is also part of CSR. It is the responsibility of organizations to contribute positively to the society. Businesses benefit from society's resources, such as labor, infrastructure, and markets. So, they are expected to give back and support social welfare. CSR is deeply rooted in social obligation. Finally, CSR is not only about preventing damage or avoiding wrongdoing. It also involves taking proactive steps to create positive social impact. Responsible CSR organizations can actively seek ways to improve society. Later, CSR developed into a concept closely tied to decision making. Ramos Mange et al. Explained that organizational decisions influence entire social systems. This means that CSR should be embedded in how organizations plan and manage their activities, rather than being just a business. A core foundation of CSR is ethical responsibility. Organizations are expected to act fairly, honestly, and with respect for human dignity. Social responsibility goes further by encouraging organizations to contribute positively to communities and the society. These responsibilities emphasize that ethical values should guide organizational behavior. The foundational meaning of CSR is closely connected to stakeholder theory. Organizations affect many stakeholders, not just shareholders. CSR requires decision makers to balance these interests and consider how actions impact different groups, reinforcing social responsibility and legitimacy. Stakeholders are groups that influence organizations and are influenced by organizational actions. Examples: employees, consumers, employers, and so on. To summarize, CSR is rooted in the idea that organizations are responsible for their social and ethical impacts. This foundational meaning explains why CSR is now seen as a social expectation and not just a core responsibility of organizations. CSR always goes beyond profit and legal compliance. The organizational decision affect the society. Hence, ethical and stakeholder responsibility are central. And CSR is a social expectation and not a choice. With this foundational understanding of CSR, we can now move on to how these meanings evolved and became contested over time under the topic Competing and Contested Meanings of CSR to be discussed by Ms. Marinel Rosales. And this will be discussed in the next part of this presentation. Thank you very much.